So this here pump has got to go on there, and oops, my seal's got to locate. And there's a couple of owls to hold this in place. There's one. There's two. What did that oil feed? Oh right, that is the, okay, that is the actual, that oil hole I said on the block there, that is the actual feed up from the pump to feed the actual oil galleries that run along the sides of the block. So somewhere around here I have got a box. With the bits in. Ah, no I haven't. I know what I have got though. I have got a pot of, he says looking around for something, bucket. Bucket! I believe this one's empty. Yeah. So, this is probably what I want here. Oh yeah, right, just for shits and giggles, all my front cover bolts are in there, marinating in diesel. So, I'm going to have to sort that lot out. Of course, one of the other things you can witness here, which is quite sad to see, is me having a senior moment. Because I don't remember where all the bolts went. So I've just been here for like 5 minutes trying to puzzle this out. And it had me guessing for probably quite a lot longer than it should have done. So, as you start advancing in years, people, write it down on a piece of paper or take a photograph. Because, like I said, this was a bit of a head scratcher. Right, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, you can't be done yet because okay, so that's wrong. They're two different looking bolts. So have they got two different spacing depths? So we run into something already. Well, that's a hell of a deep collar on there. And it's shallow on there. Should lock that off. Right, well we'll have to neither locks that off. That's odd. I think we're also relying on the water pump as well as part of the seal. So I need to go find the water pump now, clean that boy up and get that introduced to the plan. Well, this is fun then, isn't it? Having just lectured about not being a fan of gasket glue, I found out that the water pump gasket is one of these single-use pressed steel things, which is absolutely a stupid idea because the water is going to find its way under inside the edge. There's only a tiny little sealing line. The water's going to find its way around either side of that, and it's just going to corrode the aluminium. Doesn't fit nice on these dowels either. And what is going on up here with that odd tag there, God only knows. So I mean that's just gonna eat away at the aluminium and kill everything. And like I said, I don't like putting this stuff on, but I don't want a knackered housing in 6 months pissing water out. So we'll just have to give it a tiny little smear. And I'll have to rest my case on my views on water pump goo. Right, okay, so where is the flat face? Flat face is there. The two dowels are there. And I did say flat face, not black face. Don't go getting excited, YouTube. God knows what else they'll pick up on. Thankfully he seems to have turned his music off across the road, otherwise we'd be in a copyright strike. Again. This is very weird. I'm wondering if I'm supposed to apply sealant to the bolts. I don't think they go to the wall.